You know, when I came in here, I let out a noticeable aww. These are Dover black buttons that got new pumps. Why would they do this? Why would anybody put in a new Unitech power units? They put in new power units, but they kept these old ass relay controllers. What? This does not make any... Why would they do this? I am pissed. Just look at this beautiful Dover drive pod machines ruined with these power units. Horrible. I can't believe Dover would do that. So boring. So boring. Still kind of cool. Yeah. I don't want to film in here too long. These aren't that interesting. But it's sad. Well, anyways, that is it.